So in the binomial experiment, as we talked before, there are two possible outcomes, and we call one of them as success, and we usually denote its probability by little p, and the other one is failure. And so success and failure complement each other, and complement whenever two events are complements of each other, then they add up to 1. So if the success is p, then the failure would be 1 minus p. So now we start seeing how we will do the calculation. So binomial experiment is conducted with the given parameters. So n is the number of trials, p is the probability of success in each trial, and x is the number of successes. Remember that right now you don't really need to know this because here everything is given in letters. But once we get to the word problems, then you have to know this notation. So the way we do binomial calculation is we go to, okay, they are not giving us the Statcrunch window here, but we need to go to Statcrunch. So let's do that. Okay. Statcrunch.com. Statcrunch.com. Okay, statcrunch.com. crunch.com. Okay. Sign in. Okay. So to do binomial calculations on Statcrunch, you do stats calculator binomial. And here n was 10. See, n was 10, p was 0.5, and x was 4. And 10, p 0.5, and x was equal to 4. So you have to select the correct sign also. And then the probability would be 0.2051. They are wanting us to make, they're wanting to make us do it through a formula, which takes much longer, and we don't have to know that for this course. So same thing, 9, n is 9, p is 0.6, x is now less than or equal to 3. So 9.6 and less than or equal to 3. So let's change that to 9.6 and change this to less than or equal to 3. So 0.0994. So now you see it's a word problem. A quiz consists of 10 multiple choice questions, each with 5 answers, one of which is correct. To pass a quiz, a student must get 60% or better on the quiz. If a student randomly guesses, what's the probability that the student will pass the quiz? So 60% or better means that out of 10 questions, you have to get 6 or more correct. So that would mean 60% or better. So n is the number of trials. In this case, it will be the number of questions. So it will be 10. And p, so remember, it's a 5 possible answer multiple choice. So n is 10. So let's go to our calculator. So options. So let's change it here. N is 10 and P is the probability of success in each attempt, in each question. So if it's 5 answers, then your probability of success is 1/5 for each question if you are just guessing. That's what it was saying, that if you're just guessing, what's the probability of passing? So you just have a 1/5 probability of guessing correctly. There are 5 questions. And then we figured out that to get a 60% score in the quiz, we need to get at least 6 questions right. So 6, or at least 60% score, you need at least 6 questions right. So at least 6 means you have to get greater than or equal to 6 questions right in order to get greater than or equal to 60% score. So 0.0064, that's your probability. 0.0064 would be this one.